How we doing, guys? All right, this video is going to be different. I want to show you guys how right now I understand the market's absolutely crazy, but there are some people making a ton of money on these coins that have absolutely crashed. Let me show you some of this. If you guys go over, let's look at Cardano here for a second, and everybody go to the 1 minute time frame. Okay, here's the thing about coins that are established, they're in the public eye, but they're crashing. The amount of money you guys can make on these at these lower prices because of the volatility and because it's so low is kind of ridiculous. So I want to give you guys a quick scalping masterclass in this video because I'm seeing people do this, and literally you can do this on Luna right now. Guys, there's a possibility Luna is so ridiculously low right now, sitting at 17 cents. Literally, it's stopped on Coinbase. You cannot trade it below 17 cents right now. For some reason, it literally stopped doing transactions at 17 cents. I don't know why, I can't figure it out, but I feel like Coinbase and other exchanges may start closing and pausing their exchanges today if things get into this manner. But here's the deal. I was watching this last night, and we'll use this for an example. I was watching this, I'm like, oh my gosh, people are making so much money on this. Here's what they're doing. Here's what, guys, I have to say this. This is incredibly, incredibly risky. But even Jake was doing this last night on our team, and I think he was able to pull over 20% on one trade. It was kind of crazy. I think 12 or 20%. I'm sorry, quote me exactly on that, but I believe it was 12 or 20, right around that area. But here's the deal. You can make a lot more than that. So here's what people are doing. Now, I want to give you guys this because I see it happening over time and time again. What they're doing is they're coming out with a strategy. I show you guys this. I wait for well money flow to be really low. So here's what I do. I put a horizontal line here, and I'm going to make this yellow. And what you guys can do, again, this is risky. I just have to be honest with that, but there is potential here. If you guys are looking at this trend exhaustion being low and the well money flow being low in these areas, and you are timing these market moves down here, you're not doing 5% on these moves. You're talking about 20 to 30% swings. Now, if you are in this market, and I'm just using this for an example, so please hear me out, guys. This isn't just a Luna video. I'm talking about you can do this on Dogecoin, Cardano, or any coins that you want. Because we've crashed so far, any moves up are going to mean exponentially higher gains in your accounts, okay? And again, this is very risky. But if you guys have these indicators, I want you guys to be watching this. Even if you guys are in here and you're looking at dollar cost average, if you're going to get into these markets and you want to hold anyways for the long term because you're buying in low, what you guys can do is this. You guys can get into these markets and you can scalp this. But then if you don't have that position filled at, let's say, 5-10% scalping on these lower time frames, then you guys just hold that position and then hold for the long run when it goes up. So you're accomplishing two things. It's very interesting here. If you guys get into a position, let's say you got into something like this where, well money flow is low and trend exhaustion is low. Great. You get into a position like this. It goes up here a little bit. If you didn't take profit, that's fine. It goes down. Maybe you buy a little bit more and it goes up. What you can do is start scalping these markets right now. And I'm serious, someone's going to make a ton of money doing this, seriously. But I'm not trying to make it funny because I know this is a dire situation right now. But when you're getting in these markets here and you're buying in and your scalp, like look at this, that's 25%. I was watching this last night and some people did 55% on something. That's 80%, guys, on Luna. And someone got in here and took it up there. Maybe not that high, but maybe 60%. Their account grew. Okay, here's the thing you have to check to make this valid because I've seen that YouTubers do this before and they completely failed at one thing, and I don't want to be that guy. You need to go over and look at the actual volume. Does the coin have enough volume to actually do what you want to do? Here's what you need to look at. Wrapped Luna, the token here. I want to stop this video and say I'm not a financial advisor, guys. Again, this is incredibly risky. You will probably lose all of your money, okay? But I'm seeing people doing this and they're making money, okay? Even people on our team are doing this. Okay, here's what you guys need to look at right here. Sorry, let me pull up here. I want to go down here to show you guys this is on Coinbase, just to give you guys proof that we're talking about Coinbase on this video right here. Okay, the market volume is relatively still here. It's $36 million of volume traded on Coinbase over here within the last 24 hours. So if you guys are in and out of these markets and you're entering in with, let's say, $1,000, $10,000, I don't believe you're going to have a problem at all getting your money out of this because there's still $36 million in the last 24 hours that have been circulating. And you guys need to understand this is the day here. So this is like, this is from here, from 540 to 545. Look at that. You're talking about 74 million. So it's kind of a lot of money that's actually being transacted over here. And if we look at just the last 24-hour volume, let me get the date range. That's the 12th. I'm going to come over here to the 11th. Let's go right here. So we're looking at $60, $70 million. There's still a lot of money over here, okay? Let's look at Dogecoin for a second. If you guys want to scalp Doge, is there enough money in Dogecoin to do this? Yeah, there definitely is. There's $2 billion. So now that we have that out of the way, if you guys are using these indicators to scalp these markets, you may actually be into some absolutely incredible positions coming up here. And that's Luna. Okay, we'll move on to a different coin here. Let's take a look at Dogecoin. All right, if you guys are getting into these positions, trend exhaustion low, well money flow low, and you're just getting in and holding this, and you're looking to scalp this market. I don't know what the percentage is here, but yes, could the market go down? Yes, but you're looking at these scalping positions in here. Go to 3 for 4%. Go to 3 for 5%. On this 1 minute time frame, guys, I'm just seeing this, and I don't want you guys to miss it. That's why I'm trying to show it to you guys. If you're in here and you're holding for a while, you're looking at 9% here. If you got it at the bottom, you can recoup it pretty fast. There's a swing of 19%. This is where there can actually be some really nice scalping positions going on. Because here's what I want to end this video with, and I don't want to make it super long. If you're scalping, let's play the worst case scenario. Let's just say the market goes down a lot. If you are on the side where you believe crypto is going to turn around, the worst thing you're doing is just dollar cost averaging into the dip. Like, shouldn't you be doing that anyways? If you believe this market's going to turn around, shouldn't you be dollar cost averaging in here? What I'm saying is, why not use the indicators to actually scalp in the meantime and make some profits for yourself? And if the market doesn't hit your take profit on your scalp, just leave the money there if you want, because you then have a dollar cost average entry that will eventually, if you believe crypto is going to come around, it will be in profit. Like, I'm not kidding, guys. I'm probably going to be doing this today just for fun, because I think it's actually a decent way of making money. And literally, Jake was doing this with me yesterday. We were on Telegram together, and we're like, oh my gosh, we have to do a video on this. Like, Jake did, I'm pretty sure he did around 5% on one coin, and it was either 12 or over 20% on another transaction. And he did it on Luna. And I'm like, oh my gosh, these are some crazy opportunities right now. So seriously, guys, I'll do this. Let's pick one more. No, I want to go to Mana, because Mana absolutely is just tanked down here to pre levels. So look at this. Go to the 1 minute time frame. Get trend exhaustion and price for swell money flow. They're 84% off in the description. I made them cheap because the whole market's going down. So we might as well just discount all of our products while we're here. Okay, help everybody out. But look at this. Trend exhaustion. Literally two things you guys need to wait for: trend exhaustion low and well money flow low. Why am I not showing you guys the metrics? Because everything's at the bottom. Everything's at the bottom. We know that because it's the crash. So all you need to look at right now is look at these two setups right here. And you're getting into the market again. 3 to 4% is what I've always told you guys. So still look for that 3 to 4%. And you're looking for those scalping positions just in and out of the market. Some people are going to see this as absolutely genius, and some people can be like, this is the dumbest thing you can do because it's just going to crash. My thing is, guys, who cares what party you're on? If you're in here scalping this and trying to make some profit, you're going to make profit. If it crashes, you've got really good dollar cost average entries. So look to get these indicators in the description and see if you can make back the purchase of the indicators today. They're 84% off. Like, make it an actual, I don't want to say this, make it a game, but kind of bring some fun into this. Our indicators are 84% off. Literally, these should be worth over $2,000 for all these, and it's just a couple $100. Like, it's not even that much money that we're charging you guys. Use coupon code SAVEMONEY. Maybe have fun today and challenge yourself to see if you can actually make money in and out of this market. Just see if you can do it and recoup the cost within, let's say, 6 hours. Recoup the cost of this and just keep doing this for the rest of the time. Because, guys, I believe this market, because it's gone down so low, is probably going to see sideways movement for a while. So the scalping opportunities right now are kind of insane. Like, literally, guys, they're kind of ridiculous right now. So I know this is like more of an excited video, but I'm seeing people do this over here. For some reason, Luna stopped at 17 cents. I think Coinbase literally stopped it at 17. I don't know why. But trade ones like Cardano over here. Look at this. Like, if you guys are over here on the 1 minute time frame and you're over here buying the trend exhaustion low, well money flow low, you guys are looking at these positions right here. I'll end the video here, but I'm just like, please, somebody watch this video and see what I'm trying to say here. If you get into the market and it goes up for 3 to 4%, you make your money and exit. That's your good risk management. Okay? If it goes down, you've dollar cost averaged in with positions. So if you have $1,000 and you want to scalp this market, I'm not a financial advisor, but maybe put it in the tenths. Okay? If you have $1,000, do $100 into a trade and try to make 3 to 4% with the indicators. 3 to 4%, and just do it over and over and over. If that position just completely drops back down, okay, let that $100 just sit there as the dollar cost average entry, and then scalp again down here for 3 to 4%. If that goes down, let it sit, scalp here, and then as the market goes back up and you've got to take profits on these positions, guys, they're going to get hit as well, and you're going to make money. Like, this is actually a very good strategy to be using right now. So I want to come out here and share this with you guys, because I'm probably going to, in the free time today, I'm going to probably be looking to do this as well. No, not probably. I am going to be looking to do this as well. So just know that before I do this, I want to let you guys know this is a potential to make some decent amount of money, guys. So get the indicators in the description while they're on sale. Just literally, that's the best deal for them. We will ever, like, they will not be lower than this. By the way, this is the lowest price we'll ever have. Okay. And then our membership, guys, hold on to the membership. I'm going to be going live with you guys literally in 7 days here on May 19th from 3 to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time to teach you guys how to just navigate these markets with your emotions. If we're going to sell a trade, how do we do that? How do we actually manage our accounts right now? What's the future analysis? And then I'm going to open up for Q&As for you guys. Ask me any questions you want. Guys, I've been through this market before. I already went through the 2017 crash. And honestly, guys, the 2017 crash was worse than this. I know you guys are like, no, it's not. But seriously, if you didn't trade back on Bitcoin in 2017, when literally everything was all the way at the top and you had guys, like John McAfee, literally he was predicting $150,000. If you guys remember in 2017, $150,000 he was predicting back then. This was absolutely ridiculous to see it back over here. That scared the heck out of a lot of people when I was trading through this area. I've been through this before. So I'm not trying to say I'm a veteran by any means, but I've been to this area and I know what happens after this. It goes back up. So that's why you guys aren't hearing my voice be trembly and, really getting scared. I'm just buying the dip, guys. I'm not going to stop buying the dip. Crypto's going to stay. And I believe altcoins will bounce back. And people who buy now, literally, I told you guys, people who bought in April were going to be the millionaires. Well, I was wrong. I want to just completely own up to that. People who buy in May, possibly, if Luna can turn around, guys, it could potentially be one of the biggest coins ever for crypto for gainers. Seriously, you guys buy down here right now, and this just goes up to, you hardly even move this thing, and you're up over 1,000%, 2,000%. So it has some potential, and yes, I did buy into Luna. I told all you guys that yesterday, and I did a video on that. I bought into Luna because I think there might be potential there. Now, I can burn the money in the backyard. It's not going to worry my family at all. It's not going to put us in a detriment whatsoever. But I think there's potential there. All right, guys, get the indicators in the description. Scalp today. And seriously, that's probably the only place you're going to make money is scalping with the indicators while we're at this low price, because I don't see this bouncing up really fast. I don't see it crashing really fast. Because we're so low, we're probably going to see sideways action. And literally, this is the perfect time to be scalping the markets. All right, guys, we'll see you later. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next videos. Bye, guys.